In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Shopify discount codes. Whether you're looking to boost sales or reward loyal customers, discount codes can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can start offering discounts seamlessly through your Shopify store. First, you'll want to navigate to the Discounts section on your Shopify admin dashboard. You can easily find this option on the left-hand panel. Once there, you'll see a list of any discounts you've previously created. This area provides a comprehensive view, allowing you to manage your discounts efficiently. Next, to create a new discount, look to the top right of the screen for the Create Discounts button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the discount creation page where the magic happens. Here, you need to decide on the type of discount you want to create. Shopify offers several options, so take a moment to consider which would best serve your current promotional goals. Now, it's time to select the method of your discount. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a discount code. Once you select discount code as your method, you'll see an option to either enter a custom discount code or let Shopify generate a random one for you. If you choose to create your own, aim for something catchy and easy to remember, yet unique enough to avoid potential conflicts with other codes. The next step is to fill out all the necessary details for your discount. This includes coming up with a descriptive title so you can easily identify your discount later. Then, specify the discount value. Whether it's a percentage-based discount or a flat rate, make sure it aligns with your marketing strategy and desired margin. You'll also need to outline the eligibilities and requirements. This might include setting minimum purchase amounts or selecting specific products or collections the discount applies to. Being thorough here helps avoid any customer confusion later on. Once you have all these details in order, take a moment to review everything. Double-check to make sure your discount code, value, and criteria are correct. When you're satisfied, hit the Save button to finalize your new discount code. And there you have it. Creating Shopify discount codes is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. With the discount codes ready to go, you're all set to enhance customer attraction and retention, ultimately driving more sales for your store. Remember, the key to successful discounts is not just in the creation, but also in the strategic application and marketing. Happy selling!